There's so little left out here. We were lucky to even find this ship. A Guardian can't do much to protect the city without one. But it needs a warp drive if we ever hope to fight beyond Earth. And that Cosmodrome is the only place I know where we might still find one. We survived the Fallen once. We can do it again.
What's up, Internet? I'm DarkHangman, and welcome back to Destiny. Need to get ourselves a nice warp drive in the middle of nowhere, so let's get going. And take out these suckers over here. Those flying drones become so much more annoying later on. Though you wouldn't think so because I am chewing through them right now, but hey.
The ship's avionics are completely catatonic, but I can call their last transmission. They managed to restore an information hub here. Down in the tunnels below. We should check it out.
Thank you very much, DinklageBot. Face. And your face. That has to be the most useless gun they have, though. It's just sort of slowly floats towards you. Doesn't do much damage. Oh, hello, friend. I'm Lav. Okay. He's Lav. Did that guy just fucking teleport?
A map of the entire area. What we really need to find is a warp drive, so we can jump to any planet or moon.
That would be handy.
Our only hope is where we found our ship. We have to go back.
I don't want to go back. They had creepy crawly things over there. A lot of people complaining because the loot crate has now been patched out, but of course, as soon as they took that one out, someone found another one on Mars. So we're not missing out too much. But it would really help if they properly patched the loot system in this. I'd say one of the things I like about this game is the fact that it is like a nice mix between Halo and Borderlands, but the loot doesn't feel like Borderlands because there's the different classes feel a lot different from one another, whereas in Borderlands 2 they had 8 bazillion guns, but they all feel and look the same, so didn't really do anything for me. But in here, at least the different gun types and stuff like that are genuinely different. They feel like they have a bit more weight to them. And ooh, box! Yay! Vector Oath. It's slightly better! Progress! It's shiny and yellow.
Scanning for the warp drive. Bad news. It's already in fallen hands.
Well, good. And look, our friend's back. And there he goes.
You're ready for this.
Bitch, I was born ready. Took him out. Yeah, the thing about those drones is they just swarm you. It's not that they're powerful, they're just annoying. Face. And face.
It's in the walls!
Oh hey big boy. Let's dance. Ow. He doesn't dance nicely. Neither do these guys. Fuck you. Run away. I do love that grenade so much. Okay, so the trick is not to get close to him. Ow. I have no idea what you're saying, shut up. Get out of the way, Wall. Seriously, who puts a wall there? Down he goes. That's your face. And that's your face. Ding!
You just killed an Archon, and we got a warp drive. This could cripple the Fallen. We need to go see the speaker.
Let's go then, Dinklage Bot.
There was a time when we were much more powerful. But that was long ago. Until it wakes and finds its voice, I am the one who speaks for the traveler. You must have no end of questions, Guardian. In its dying breath, the traveler created the ghosts to seek out those who can wield its light as a weapon. Guardians to protect us and do what the traveler itself no longer can.
What happened to it?
I could tell you of the great battle centuries ago. How the traveler was crippled. I could tell you of the power of the darkness, its ancient enemy. There are many tales told throughout the city to frighten children. Lately, those tales have stopped. Now, the children are frightened anyway. The darkness is coming back. We will not survive it this time.
Its armies surround us. The Fallen are just the beginning.
What can I do?
You must push back the darkness. Guardians are fighting on Earth and beyond. Join them. Your ghost will guide you. I only hope he chose wisely.
I did. I'm sure of it. We're in this together now.
That's it for this episode, ladies and gentlemen. The next one will be coming up very, very soon. Please like, share, favourite and subscribe. If you have any other gameplay videos you'd like me to do, then let me know in the comments below. Thanks, and see you next time.